We be at the trap. It going down. Everywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Mm-hmm. Yeah, pretty that salmon is. Just pretty. You know what I'm saying? For no reason. You know what I'm saying? We about to flip these, you know what I'm saying, lemons and get it popping. Alright, so yeah, it's time to get these bad boys off now. Just wash them down with a little vinegar. You see the seasoning stayed on it, that mean they done. Cause you know what I'm saying, if you put that vinegar on there and it wash off all your seasoning, then you ain't gonna have no flavor. You're gonna be tasting like a whole bunch of vinegar. But we got it popping right now, so let me show you how we gonna finish this off. Putting this little dish together today, so I'm gonna show y'all how it came out. Check this out right here. We got some butter noodles, some linguine that we boiled in some water, you know, al dente, but you know, put some butter in there to make it butter noodles. Just put that down like so. And then we got a warm spinach salad that we sauteed up with some tomatoes, onions, cream sauce, all of that. We just put that right on top of the noodles. And see, it got a sauce with it, so it's kind of almost like a sauce that's going on top of the noodles with spinach in it. I mean, look at that. That is bananas. And then last but not least, we grilled some salmon. So we're just gonna take our grilled salmon and throw that right over the top. Wow. Now, before we end this off, I have some lemon dill butter cream sauce that I put together. I'm just gonna pour that right over the top of all of this. Amazing. Now, last but not least, just a little parmesan cheese. Some grilled lemons. See the little grill marks on there. And some fresh dill. And that right there is the type of food you can expect to see for the rest of the season on Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business on Taste on TV. Check out all the shows, but you definitely don't want to miss our show because we're going to be doing great food, showing out, and more things.